external if you are not this internal. Meaning when you are alone in your room, where is your relationship with Allah? What is it? Otherwise, if I'm going to go and smile in the face of the person, or I'm very nice, we're sweet, please forgive me, I'm fake. I'm only external. And then I go to my room, Allah knows what I see or speak or do, or where is my salah, or where is my personal relationship with Allah. That's what you need. And honestly, this is way easier now, in spite of everything you are seeing, than when I was in your shoes. When I came to that Washington University day one, you know what the first question I was asked? What's your religion? And I was like, that's going to be a very difficult 4 years. They don't even know what Islam is. I doubt anyone now will ask you what's your religion. Unless you're going to go to Dakota in one of these whatever, they don't have anything, and then I was like, they've never seen it. So now it's very easy, but what is the problem? And please forgive me, I don't mean you, but in general. I mean, as most of you know, I just came back from Gaza. And it's sad. I was in the Arab world and then I was in Gaza. Without sail, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said. Numbers, the numbers are useless. Like the foam of the sea or the ocean. Comes in big and then disappears. Leaves no effect or footprint or any change. That cannot be me. Every one of you here, literally, 5 years ago, put it, alhamdulillah, I want to get married and have children. Ya Rabbi, Ameen. I want to, whatever you want to do, don't forget. And a 5-year goal with Allah. A 10-year goal with Allah. Even if Allah decides to take you or take me, before I reach that goal, He will reward me as if I reached it. You know that, because that's a principle in the Quran. وَمَنْ يُهَاجِرْ فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ يَجِدْ فِي الْأَرْضِ مُرَاغَمًا كَثِيرًا وَسَعًا. Whomsoever migrated for the sake of Allah, meaning you left everything. You left your comfort zone. You left a good job because it was displeasing to Allah. You hajr, fi sabilillah, for the sake of Allah. يجد في الأرض مراغما كثيرا وسعا. You're going to see the earth is vast. You're going to have a lot of opportunities. طيب, that's fine. But then the next one, which I really love. وَمَنْ يَخْرُجْ مِنْ بَيْتِهِ مُهَاجِرًا إِلَى اللَّهِ وَرَسُولِهِ. Whomsoever leave his house, migrating for Allah and His Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, then he does. ثُمَّ يُدْرِكُ الْمَوْتِ. Meaning you didn't reach, you didn't finish. فَقَدْ وَقَعَ أَجْرُ اللَّهِ. Your reward will be given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We're going to move all forwards because there's people way in the back. So all of you move forward. We'd love to see you all. So here we are. Leadership with ihsan. And you're going to say leadership, or I will say ihsan with Allah, and then my leadership in dunya. Yani ihsan for akhirah, ihsan in my Muslim personal relationship with Allah, and then my Muslim relationship with His dunya. You cannot get here if you don't have it here. You cannot have it here if you cannot. If you don't have a relationship with Allah. And again, the relationship can be from simple, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah, just bear witness, to a person who 24/7 think of Allah. If you don't have this, very unlikely you will end up having ihsan. It's not going to work. That's why, please forgive me, the more you are in leadership, the opportunity to be corrupted, I can't tell you. It is there, and everyone is doing it. And you have to stay steadfast. And if you don't change, and Allah is number one. That's easy said. Unless you have Him in your life, and He will protect you, will pull you out before you slip, or He will open the opportunity for you to slip away from what displeases Him. But He's not going to do it unless you start. Unless you put Him number one in your life. That's ihsan. So I hope I made it very easy and clear for you. Each one of you, go home today and write it on a piece of paper and put the date and say, today, 25th or 20th, what's today? 25th of April, my relationship with Allah, and grade your relationship. Don't worry about what people think. Oh, mashallah, she is. May Allah make me better than what you think of me. You grade your relationship with Allah. And you to make your grading easy, there's a couple of things. Practical, reality, not words. I'm not going to say big words. Number one, where are you with the salah? Don't tell me you have a relationship with Allah and your salah is not there. Because salah is salah. Salah is a connection. Where are you in your salah? We all struggle. Everybody struggles with the salah. Big imams, they struggle. As Sayyidina Ali said, if I know Allah accepted 2 units of salah from me, I want to die. So where are you in your salah? Is it the last thing? After you do everything, it's like, oh, 2 minutes left for Maghrib. Then Allah is the last thing. So look at your salah. Look at your relationship. Again, I don't know any one of you, I'm saying general, but I know what youth are exposed to. May Allah protect you. What's your relationship with haram? Don't answer me, that's for you. And what's your relationship with not halal, with the recommended things? So I have 2 options. One is halal, the other one is recommended. Allah will be more pleased with me. Which one I choose? The one I like? The one is easy? The one everybody else is doing? Don't tell me about ihsan. You didn't see Allah in the decision. Did you get the point? Once you see Allah in every step, getting married, why did you get married to this person or to that girl? Well, I love her. You didn't see Allah. You saw yourself and your emotions. Why did you say no to this person? For example, why? Oh, I had this very recently. I couldn't believe it. He's not a physician. I said, really? Is that the reason? Is that what Allah said? Honestly. Very nice family, amazing young girl. And I was like, subhanAllah, how Allah tests us when reality comes in. Or I don't want her because she wears her hijab. Really? And you tell me you're a good Muslim? So here you go, in every step in your life, including the coffee. Why did I buy this coffee at 5 p.m.? How much did this cost me? This is real. Don't get sucked in to what everybody else is doing. If I took you with me to Gaza, wallah, you will not put this in your mouth. Because this will save a family for a month. Unless I feel for the others, even if I am not from them or among them, then what is ihsan? What are you talking about? I need in every step. I took my niece for shopping. I said, let's buy this. I said, why? Do you need it? She said, no. I said, we're not buying it. So again, practically, see Allah in every step. I want to leave some time for discussion. Yeah, alhamdulillah. We still have time till 7, right? Is that my clock is right? What time is it? 6:01. Yeah, so it's right. Alhamdulillah. So in every step in your life, you're going to have, as you're making decisions, yes or no, there's never you see you. You always see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As you see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in everything at this stage, then you are learning how to live with ihsan. Then when you come to leadership, ihsan and leadership. What is leader? You're a leader to somebody, family, company, MSA, whatever it is. The first question, if you are a person of ihsan, is what? Why do you want to be a leader? Why do you want to be an MSA president? Right? I always ask people, all the medical students ask me, oh, I want to go to MSA, oh, I want to go to OBGYN. I say, why? And a young boy, I love him, Ahmed. He's 14. He's so strong and opinionated. Khala Fifi, I said, what? He said, I'm going to be a physician. I was like, okay, great. Why? Because I want to help people. I said, why don't you be a garbage man? He looked at me. I said, yeah. Imagine I don't have a garbage man. Who's going to take the garbage? And I said, don't fool me. Tell me why you want to be a physician. You need to be, why do you want to be a leader? Leadership brings a lot of dunya, a lot of good feedback, you know? I tell people, you want to be arrogant, be a physician. The profession itself injects in you, without you knowing, arrogance. I don't mean you, but here I am.
It's in there.
Absolutely. Everyone tells you whatever you say. Oh, right? Everybody in your office, the patient. Wallahi, if it was not you, ya doctora, I would have done. Ya nas, it's not me, it's Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So unless you have this Islamic knowledge that keep reminding you. So when you want a leadership position, why? Why? Why do you want to be a CEO of a company? Why? To help Muslims. Really? Show me. And don't let shaitan lure you in giving you excuses Islamically that you are not. You don't even do it on your daily basis. So the second question is always why. So the first question is, this is pleasing to Allah. Number two is why. If you say, I like it, that's not for Allah. That's you, nafs, me. We're talking Imam al-Ghazali. He is the psychologist of Islam. That's your nafs. Why you want to do it? To please my parents. That's for people. It's good, but that's for people. That's not for Allah. Or it's a good job, it's going to give me a good income. That's for dunya. So you have to be in ihsan, again, every decision. Why do you say no to this? I'm like, I'm not interested. Right? So now after I see this, I was like, my niece actually didn't apply for Georgetown. Now I'm going to go home and say, why? Why didn't? Because normally the answer, I don't know. What is the rate of this university in colleges? What is it? What number? What is it? I don't know. But that's what they all look at, right? But that's not pleasing to Allah. If I was applying for a college, the first thing I would look at is, what is the MSA? How strong is the MSA in this university? Right? What's the closest masjid is this? What's the rate of the crime in there? What is the rate of hate crime? Can I practice my deen? Then you are acting with that example. I hope this is clear for everybody. Simple,